and lit, like we
What
might.
if the circle is far east side?
We just go for bandages, dude. Bandages, campfires. We loot up as much as possible.
Blow up loot lake.
Bam, 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 bam. Blow up
loot lake.
I honestly think our best bet. God, I'd love to land. Okay, so we go snobby, and then I say we build. No, we have to. For the content. We have to get control of the rocket on top of it.
So you want to land snobby and then go rocket?
Yes, land snobby, loot hard. We have time to loot hard.
Okay.
It's the Twitch Prime alarm, guys.
You have to sub with Prime this whole time.
If you want to sub with Twitch Prime and survive, it's the only way to do. You have to have. Don't wait.
It's too late.
If you can't, we're all gonna die.
Just check. Just look at all the people. Oh god, look at all the people, dude.
They're not going to stop it. They're going for me.
Get snobby.
Lock it up. Lock it up.
Oh, we're dead, dude.
Dude, there's so many people up there. Oh my gosh, dude.
It's happening.
Oh my god.
It's happening.
Take a seat.
Get the popcorn out, boys. Get the popcorn out.
Everyone dead.
Oh god.
Oh my god.
Like a bird.
This is so sick. What's happening?
Where's it going?
Is it turning yet? Is it going to the moon?
Oh, is it turning?
Please go to Loot Lake.
Go to the lake. Blow up Blue
Are we
Lake.
fighting now? It's
No
gonna
way.
get
Wait,
bad
I'm watching
real
this,
quick.
dude.
Where's it going?
What?
It's going.
Wait.
It just broke off.
What? Where's it going?
Something broke off. Something broke off for sure. 100%.
This guy's trying to ruin my day.
Oh my god.
Why me?
Everyone's killing everyone.
Alright, I can still watch it. They broke off?
Where'd it go?
What's it aiming at?
Oh god, dude.
Killed it!
Oh my god, I shouldn't have killed everyone. What just happened?
What?
It just.
Ben!
What?
Don't die! Ben, move this. What's happening? What is that? Ben, go.
Oh, it juked us.
There's a spaceship flying around.
Tim, look at it.
It just sat down over here.
What is happening?
It's going like through portals.
Tim, don't die to fall damage. Wait.
Just bust back out, go back to the base.